All right. So we talk about the Boolean, integer, float, double, and string. The funny thing about strings is that strings are like a really long series of characters. But of course, we can use like single character or emoji even. I think emoji is a special single character. And you know what? There's like a little bit copyright issue, little bit pitfall, even though Apple already make it really hard for you to actually fall in, but you have to be aware. Okay? So by the way, I did a little bit of research, so just hear me out. I think everything, especially when concerned to legal issue, requires you to pay special attention. And I'm just giving you a generalized information. If you like really dive deeper and like involve some business decision, do consult your lawyer. Okay, so yeah, big disclaimer here. And so this is a string. We're already pretty familiar with it. So what I'm gonna do is to actually get most of it like a comment because I don't want all this to actually be printed out. So yeah, get everything commented. Just to leave this out. Okay. So if I run this, hopefully, everything will be clear. Let's talk about characters. Character, just one character, one letter. That's the character. So, for example, if let's talk about the letter let because we're going to talk about grade. So once the grade has been given, you don't want anything to change. Okay. So let grade. This can be a character type. So character, yeah, character set, yeah, character. And then you know what? You can use this A. Hopefully, A for average. Okay, Asia standards. A should be the thing that everyone aiming for. Okay, I'm really strict by the way. So you know what? Everything is fine. You can actually print it out, and you can say, the grade, the string, the grade is, and then you know what? Insert things, and the grade will be the grade. And you know what? If I print it, the grade is a single character. We can print out. What about add it? Can I run this? We can't because yeah, just one line of error code, and I'm going to make myself a little bit smaller so I can actually see it. Or maybe not a little bit smaller just to change this. So you got error cannot convert value of type string to a specified type character because you got more character and character string them together to a really long text. So you can't do that. Yeah, as simple as that. So you have to get like one and get like A, B, C. What about B? Okay, you can actually do that. No error. As simple as that. The grade is B. Okay. But you know what? There's a special character, and we call that emoji. That's I believe it's from Japanese. E is for face, okay. And by the way, I also got a shameless self promotion here. I got like a Japanese bootcamp as well. You can check it out. Okay, so E is for face, like e, like this is atama, kubi, right? Like mune, yeah, all that. You can check it out. So E is for the face, right? E, moji is like a moji. It's like a text, so it's like a face text. It's a great way to convey a lot of information, innuendo, and all that. Internet culture, right? So if you think about this, we can actually put emoji here. So let's emoji, and you know what? You can still using character as a data type. That kind of shape of box can get emoji inside and get a specific character A, B, C, D, and all that, as long as it's just one character. That we do. So you know what? We get emoji, like an emoji. Let's input some emoji. Just play around with this. Input, we got show emoji and symbol. Okay, it's like input system here. Okay, show emoji. Right now I already show. So actually get it here. Where is it? Sorry. Right now, yeah. Show. Click. You can show and you can choose. Let's get a smiley face, like a gram. Okay. This one, I love this one. So get like a cheeky little feeling to it. Okay, one character. What I'm gonna do is print it out as well. My mood, and then I'm gonna insert this emoji. Okay, emoji, and then run. Let's see, my mood is, yeah, pretty happy. Okay, the grade is B, and my mood is pretty happy, pretty cheeky, right? So far so good. And of course, you can just play around. What about I got like a 2 emoji? Can I just run this? Cannot, because it's considered a string. Okay, you can't do that unless you got just one emoji. Really simple. But I also want to stress that while you are using emoji, you have to be extremely careful, because the emoji that you are using right now is Apple's proprietary emoji. Okay, I'm going to talk a little bit about this because that's a little bit developers pitfall. Okay, especially yeah, I've seen a lot of developers actually using the emoji as some sort of like an icon, some buttons, some like a UI design, because you know there's like a ship it fast mentality, and I want to talk a little bit about this because there is like a proprietary asset involved here.